welcome back to my channel. If you guys have not yet, make sure to go like, subscribe, comment, and make sure to not forget to turn on that bell notification to not miss every time I upload a new video. So guys, today we are going to be doing a blue look with some snowflakes, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started and create that look. Okay, so I am going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic Morphe palette, and I'm going to also be using the James Charles palette for this look. So I am going to go in with the shade Busted, which is this one. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and use this little fluffy brush, just like so. I'm tapping it. Let's go like this. Just like that. So I am still going in with that blue to blending it out. Just like so. And I am not getting no more product. I am just blending this blue out. Just little by little. I'm going upwards. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. So now I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette. And I am going to be going in with this light blue shade right here to go in it, to go into I can't even speak. Oops, sorry, I dropped my brushes. But to go into the eye on top to blend it all out together. Like so. So I am still blending it out. Just like so. We're blending and blending and blending. Try to blend it out as much as you can. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill's Jade Sturdy Blush, fluffy brush. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just blend all of this out. Try to blend all those harsh lines out. Okay, so after that, I am gonna go in with my Garnier Me Clear Cleansing Water and go ahead and cut that crease. I am gonna do a circle cut crease just like that. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and go in with the Q-tip. And I'm just gonna go like this. So we're gonna just clean it to where we want that nice clean cut crease. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Revlon concealer and correct concealer in coal white, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this flat wet and wild brush to go ahead and create that circle cut crease that we want. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put a very little on the brush, just like so. And now we're gonna follow the eyeline of where we cleaned our eyelid. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. That's a little bit. I am going to just go like put them on the edge of the brush, just on the edge, and continue to outline right here. So this is how it looks now. I'm just shading it in or filling it in with the concealer that was left on the brush. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add a little, just a little bit, just to finish filling in that part. And then I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette and going with the eyeshadow. Okay, so this is how it's looking now. I'm going with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use the Jaclyn X Hill, the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush in Jade 41, and I'm just gonna go in with the white James Charles eyeshadow. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it all over my eyelid till I get all of it. And I'll be back when I have all of my eyelid covered in white. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this little tiny brush, and I am gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Beverly Hills Dark Magic palette. Go back in with that blue. And just go ahead and dab it. And I'm gonna go around my cut crease. Just like so, going around it. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go back in with this fluffy brush and just go ahead and blend everything out together once again. Okay, and then after that, I am gonna go in with the Suva Beauty Hydrating Liner in shade Space Panda, and I'm gonna use the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS14 brush to create the snowflakes and the little snow. Okay, so let's go ahead and go in with it, and now let's go ahead and spray it. Sprayed it just a bit. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of product on our brush, and let's go ahead and create little snowflakes. Like so. This is how she's looking. Now let's create more little snowflakes. That does not look like a snowflake. Let's go ahead and fix it. Okay, I kind of fixed it. And now let's go in with a little bit of more product. Let's go ahead and spray it a little bit more to get a little bit more product. And I'll be back when I have my eye done. Okay, so this is how it looks after I did my snowflakes and a little bit of snow. So let's go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how she looks. Now let's go ahead and prime our face just a bit, because I already do have moisturizer, so I do just go ahead and take this. I do just go ahead and put a little bit. So I do not put a lot of product, especially not right now, because it is 8:50 at night and I am doing this makeup tutorial for you guys. So now let's go ahead and go in with the Maybelline Fit Me shade 310 Sun Beige in my foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with the Morphe M166 brush. So I did go ahead and apply it with my brush, and now I'm putting my hair a little bit back, and I am gonna go ahead and start blending it in with my beauty blender. I don't mind if I don't get it under my eyes. I do conceal to brighten them, so it's okay. Okay, so we are gonna brighten and contour with the L'Oreal Inflatable Full Wear. We're gonna conceal in the shade 380 Pecan and contour in the shade 415 and 415 Honey. That's what we're gonna contour and brighten with. So let's go ahead and do that. So yes, we are going to contour and what's it called? Oh, and brighten with this brand today. And I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my under eye, and then after that I'm gonna do my contour. So this is how it's looking so far. So I did go ahead and brighten up a little bit my contour from the bottom just like so, and I am going downwards. Downwards, and I'll go back in with my beauty blender. Okay, so like I said, I did go ahead and brighten just a bit under the makeup. Okay, so now what I'm gonna use, it's the NYX Won't Stop Can't Stop professional makeup powder in shade bright translucent. So I'm gonna use this brush, and I am just going to dab it under my eye. Where after I brighten with that, I am gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 100 translucent, and I am gonna go in with my wet beauty blender and just go ahead and tap it. And that's when I go in all of my face. Going with all my face, like so. And my forehead. Just like that. So I did go ahead and add a little bit of product to my brush. Not too much because I already have the contour under, the bronzer I mean. And I am gonna go ahead and highlight with I forgot my highlighter, so I'm gonna go in with the Charels one, and I'm gonna highlight with this one just a little bit because it is eyeshadow. Remember, it is an eyeshadow, so it might be a little bit more pink. So I am gonna add that eyeshadow, but just a little bit on each cheek, a little bit on my nose. Just like that. And I'm gonna go in and add some lashes. So I was looking at myself and telling myself, what am I missing? Dude, what's wrong with my face? And it smells like what's it called? Those mint, those Christmas mints. You know, the red and white ones. Yeah, it smells so much like it. Okay, so now I am gonna go in with some lashes. These lashes are from a small business. Once again, these are you can find her underscore Royal Beauty on Instagram and Facebook, Royal Beauty. And these are the lashes in style Queen of Hearts. Look how amazing and fluffy these lashes are. So if you would like to shop, go check her out. Use Jenny19 for some money off. So I am gonna go ahead and apply these lashes. Look how bomb these lashes look. Bam. And I'm also gonna use her glue pen. You guys see my eyelash fly? Like I was saying, I'm gonna use her clear glue pen also. Like I said, if you guys would like to shop, go ahead and use Jenny19 for some money off. Let's go ahead and shake it. Shake it like her. I'm just kidding. So I did go ahead and apply some glue with her glue pen. And now I'm gonna apply my lashes. I'll be back when I apply my lashes. So this is the eyelash on. Look how beautiful this eyelash looks. So let me go ahead and apply the other one. So I did go ahead and use her clear glue pen. And these are her lashes in style Queen of Hearts. If you guys like to purchase, once again, discount code Jenny19. I'll be back when I have both my eyelashes on. So this is how it looks with both the eyelashes on. And I am not gonna put lipstick on because I do like this, like with more like a so this is how it looks. I'm gonna put a little bit of setting spray. Either way, I'm still gonna go ahead and take this off. Like I said, I am doing this makeup tutorial at 9:12 at night at the moment, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of setting spray, and that'll be the end of this look. So I did go ahead and apply just a little bit. So this is the end of this look. This is the end of this look. This is how it came out. Thank you guys for the ones who watched and enjoyed, and thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and remember, don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so that means every time I upload a new video. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you like this, and thank you guys. Bye guys.